If you cannot turn off your Motorola Moto G56 without entering the screen lock password, so if it looks like this, then in order to solve this issue and power off our phone, what you have to do now is press and hold the power button, and we need to keep holding it until the screen turns off. In the meantime, while I will be doing this, I will also keep tapping on the screen because I don't want the screen to be put to sleep, essentially. So I need to know when the screen will turn off. Once the screen turns off, you want to press and hold volume down. So let's get right into it. So press and hold the power button and just keep holding. And now press and hold volume down. There we go. Now we are in the fast boot mode. Over here you can use volume up and down in order to navigate, and you can find the power off option. Confirm your choice by pressing the power button. And there we go. This is how we can turn off our phone without the screen lock password. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.